Hey guys, just thought I'd bring you out here. Looks like I forgot to move these moms with their babies. There are 11 baby bunnies feeding on her right now. They're nursing with this mom, and then when they are done with her, they're gonna move over to this one. Both of these moms had their kids in their colony, and I know they're 3 or 4 days apart, so they're still feeding. They're about a month old. It looks like they're done on her. Let's see if they go over to the other one. Well, not completely done. I think they're getting ready to jump on the other one. Again, there are 11 baby bunnies. These are all New Zealand. They have a little bit of lion head. Somewhere along the line I had a lion head that was pretty big, and I thought I'd cross them, and he ended up not making it, but we had his genes crossed in here. So these are New Zealand California mix with lion head. They still produce about a 6 to 7 pound rabbit. Very friendly, very docile. I guess I had enough feeding from this one, so they might not go over to the other one. There's one rabbit feeding on her. This one's done. They're all gonna go over there now. I think they're getting scared because I'm here. Normally rabbits will feed them twice a day. I would imagine everything overnight. And then during the day, they just kind of leave the nest. They don't hang out where their nest is, so there's no predators. But sure enough, there they are. The ones that didn't get enough milk from the other one, they're continuing to feed on this one here. So, all right, guys, just thought I'd bring you in here and show you guys this. Don't make the mistake of leaving your rabbit out from their babies. Questions, comments, list them down below. And as always, criticisms, keep them to yourself. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Trying to help this channel grow.